Well, hey guys, it's Dev, and isn't this nice? So, I don't know. Just started up weird. I was idling very hard, and then I started smelling petrol. And now, yeah. Shit. I couldn't even finish my broikie. Oh well.
I count blessings, not my L's. I stay focused, I don't dwell. I see time is all my wealth. All these angels watch my health. I stay bout it, I'm not pouting. Break through walls and climb it mountains. If you want it, scream it louder. Show this world what they've been down.
Okay, so the school day is now done, and I guess I just wanted to talk to you guys a bit. So basically, beforehand, if you've watched the channel for a while, you'll know the car has had leaking problems before, and it seems that they have returned after like 2 months of it being fine. But it's not the end of the world, and because the car is like 11 years old, it's actually quite expected because the lines, like the fuel lines, I'm guessing are perished. So I just got home from school, ate whatever, did some research on how to change fuel lines, and now I'm gonna see if I can figure out what's wrong with the car. If it's something easy like a fuel line, I'll go get fuel lines and install it myself. If not, then I don't know, we're gonna have to make another plan. But yeah, let's quickly go see what's wrong with the car, and then probably hopefully see how I fix it. But yeah, not too bad for a Blue Monday. It's not the best, but oh well, stay positive I guess. But yeah, let's go do that.
Basically this morning, sorry, I'm a bit sick. Basically this morning I took off the engine cover, not totally because I can't get this clamp loose, and I also don't have the right tools to loosen up this. But I have determined, if you see this thing right here, this is the high pressure fuel pump. That is the thing that pressurizes the fuel, and it seems to be leaking from around about this area in here somewhere. So I'm not quite sure from where exactly, but it's spraying fuel everywhere. And as you can remember from the clip from this morning, if the dogs would shut up. From the clip this morning, it was everywhere over the floor. So yeah, let's see if I can find it. Okay, so to quickly demonstrate, okay, you could hear it there. But to quickly demonstrate what it is doing exactly, I have to put in the key and then turn it. That will initiate the fuel. Oh, just missed. Okay, but basically it's leaking from somewhere in here. And now everything smells like petrol again. Okay. Okay, so I quickly found the problem actually. It's at least just a line, so it means I can fix it myself. The problem is just finding the line. But I might be able to show you. I don't know how well you guys would be able to see. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, but I can show you the little pipe. Okay, maybe not. Okay, from this angle you'll be able to see. So we'll just focus on the right thing. Focus on there, please. Okay, so that little pipe there, this is, I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. It actually has like, you can actually see like a little bit of it like there at the tip of my finger. Like right there, there's like this little hump thing. The pipe actually burst. So it means the pipe tore apart, which means it was not strong enough probably for what it was put on for. So yeah, I'm gonna have to find a new one. Okay, so the plan of action now is going to be I'm waiting for Joseph. He's a guy that works with us at our second-hand car garage. We used to do stuff like this kind of, but we're not really mechanics, but well, I want to work on my own car, so I don't really care. So he's gonna come, we're gonna take off the pipe, go see if we can find another one that's the same, hopefully that can handle a bit more pressure. And then yeah, I'll probably replace it and then take it to another place here and let them check out the car from underneath and everything, so we make sure everything's nice and ready. It's very bright outside, very cloudy. Don't know what's up with the weather, but yeah, hopefully Mickey is going to be fixed very soon, and I'm glad I could find the problem so fast. I knew it was something small, but he never really, no, but this really looks like it looks like a two-cut-hole engine basically. Well, to people that don't know engines, it looks like a two-cut-hole engine, but alas, the shits.
count blessings, not my L's. I stay focused, I don't dwell. I see time is all my wealth. All these angels watch my health. I stay bout it, I'm not.
Okay guys, so as you can see, it's raining now, but the car is, well, it seems to be fixed. So if I go and I stop, it works. So it was just a little pipe that burst. Sounds a little bit weird, but I'll troubleshoot a bit more. Okay, so I found the problem. This thing is actually vibrating because it was cracked when I bought it. So I'm gonna have to get, well, I guess an intake and then upgrade this thing to something else. But that'll be cool. Anyway, the car's fixed, so that's good. And yeah. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And this has been Dev, and I'm out.
Necessary, that's how we gon' get it. It's time to lay my foot down, up is where I'm headed. I count blessings, not my L's. I stay focused, I don't dwell. I see time is all my